The sun goes down, the stars come out. My universe will never be the same.
Pop Danthology.
Sound just came on here and now. I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you've done, it's about what you do. Cross my heart and I hope you die. It's all about where you going, no matter where you've been. Can I only stay with you one more night? Let's go.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. I think I finally had enough. I think I maybe think too much. I think this might be it for us. Let's go. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. 'Cause that's just how it goes. Let me dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm a domino. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, I let it fall, my heart. And as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. You chewed me up and spit me out like I was poison in your mouth. You took my life, you drained me down, but that was then and this is now.
Girl, let me love you.
Wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared it's wrong, but you might make a mistake. This is the part of me that you never gonna ever take away from me.
Girl, let me love you.
There's no long to live, and there's no time to waste. So let me give your heart a break. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me.
So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home.
If I was your girlfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe on you. Chillin' by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to Paseo in 3, 2, swipe.
Good morning and good night. I wake up at twilight. Starships were meant to fly.
We don't even have to try.
I wanna keep you here, 'cause you dry my tears. Yeah, summer love and them fights, how it is for us, and it's all because now if we're talking bodies,
I want the time of my life. Since you're running out of time, what do you
put it on me.
tonight.
First, let me hop out the porch. You used to call me on my